Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Mr. Cheers and a top of the morning to you. I'm not going to belabor the moment. Let's get right into it. So, for today's class, you will be doing the writing workshop part two, Alice Walker Everyday Use. You're going to go right here. You're going to click on this. Some of you've already turned it in. Make sure you go back and just relook at my instructions just to make sure that me and you are on the same page. So the first thing you want to do is, in order to complete this assignment successfully, please make sure you have completed writing workshop number one. So today what you're going to do, you're going to draft your analytical paragraph. You're going to draft two analytical paragraphs. So first you want to look at my sample prompt. This is my sample prompt. Your prompt is write a response to a literature essay analyzing how Alice Walker uses at least two literary devices and / or stylistic techniques to convey a theme to the reader in not flowers. Yours is everyday use. That's the name of your prompt. That's the name of the story that you're going to be writing to. This is just my sample prompt for me. This is my sample prompt for me. So that way we won't have any plagiarism. So the first thing you want to do is put your thesis. You want to make sure you have a thesis statement. My thesis statement is Alice Walker, through the literary device of symbolism and imagery, brings to life this common coming of age story. I draft my topic sentence. To begin with, the most significant symbol in this story is that of the flowers. I provide my evidence. She found, in addition to various common but pretty ferns and leaves, an armful of strange blue flowers with velvety ridges. Then I do my analysis. That's where I explain my evidence. Myra collects the blue flowers and has an armful before she comes across the body. This quote is an instance of the flowers representing curiosity and discovery for the young girl, Maya, before she comes across the gruesome scene. At this state, she's now ready for adolescence and all the harsh realities it may bring. So this is a model analytical paragraph based on the story. Again, not everyday use. This is not based on everyday use. So do not copy this paragraph. It's based on flowers. So I just wanted to give you a model of an analytical paragraph so you can do one for everyday use. Now right here, what I did in your exit ticket, you're going to draft two analytical paragraphs for the following writing prompts. And here, I say, write a literary essay analyzing how Alice Walker uses at least two literary devices or stylistic techniques to convey a theme to the reader in everyday use. Again, everyday use. Use the topic sentences that you drafted from the writing workshop one. So this is a model paragraph from everyday use. Please, please do not plagiarize. This is just, I felt like I want to give you a model directly from the story, that some of you have voiced not understanding the story. So this is a model paragraph from the actual story. And then right here, you're going to draft your two paragraphs. And then again, if you have not completed writing workshop number one, it would be you really need to finish that, then jump into writing workshop two. Because the pieces you generate in workshop one is going to help you with workshop two. Well, those are my directions. Thank you all for who have been emailing me, asking me questions, follow-ups. I love that type of stuff. You're not bothering me. Thank you for all of you being patient during this time. Peace and many, many blessings to you on today. Have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.